Hello viewers, welcome to Fever Motivation. Do you guys wants to know real difference between an intelligent man and fool? Keep watching this video without skipping. In this end of this video, we will make you understand the difference. So without wasting any further time, let's move on. An intelligent man always curious about gaining knowledge. It means, he gains knowledge in everything like sports, entertainment, his studies, his career, or even any video games. He don't care, the niche doesn't matter, but the thing is, he never stop learning and improving himself. They keep on learning about something. They have more curious than others to learn all of this than an average human being. Even some intelligent people keep on learning about cooking. If you got raised a question why they are learning about cooking, our brain have a habit, while we learning something curiously, it will try to give its full potential. It will be like powerful and sharp weapon. After learning that particular thing, it will simply return back to its old stage. So if you want to keep your brain sharp and actively for every time whenever you have a free time, just learn something. Don't care about the niche, just learn. When you keep on learning, your brain capacity will skyrocket. My dear friend, even if you eat fast food daily, it doesn't matter. If you have perfect sleep and follow what I said you can find change in your life within a month.